Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got this really big package in the mail today. And this is a gift from Misty, my dear friend Misty, who is Moon Dust Psychic Medium. She has a YouTube channel and she doesn't really post very much on it. She posts more on Instagram, and I will put both of those links down below. She's just a lovely lady. She's just a dear, dear friend, and I really, really like her. I think you'll really like her. She tells it like it is, and she is a very caring person. So she told me she was sending me something, and here it is. So let me open it up. It does say on the box, happy birthday, and she calls me Lady Mary. So I just think that's so sweet. So I did cut it open to get it started, and there's some pretty tissues in there, some wintry tissues. So I'm gonna take those out. She didn't give me any clues, y'all. Here is a card. Okay. It says, happy birthday, Lady Mary, with love, Misty, 2023. And then inside, look at that cute card. Let's party. Meow's the time to celebrate. Lady Mary, have a birthday that's perfect in every way. Happy birthday, XOXO, Misty. And Misty is in Colorado. And it's funny because their weather is very, everybody thinks their weather is wacky, but Colorado's, where she is wacky. It'll be snowing and be like 4, 5, 6 inches one day, and then later that day even, or the next day, it'll be 70. So it's very funny. Oh, look at this pretty thing. Oh, is that pretty? Did you make this, Misty? Look how pretty that is, y'all. I'm not even sharing it, I'm sorry. I love it. It's a snowflake. It is, I don't know if this is styrofoam maybe. And then all these rhinestones, like strips of rhinestones. It's real lightweight, so it'll go on a tree nicely. And I'm gonna try to hang it back there somewhere. I'll find a place for it. I love it. It's so sparkly. I love sparkly. And I think Smudge is coming over to see it. And then this is, there's a lot of tissue. Let me put the box down. And this is it. What a pretty wrapping. It's very heavy. It's gold and silver hearts. Isn't that pretty? Oh, Smudge, what you doing? I'm gonna have to take a break to get Smudge over here. Smudge, come on, behave. This is very heavy. It's feeling, I won't say what it's feeling like. But where is the, I can't tell how she wrapped it. So I'm just, oh, how beautiful. Oh, wow. I was gonna say it feels like a book, and it's a very, very heavy book. It is the official Downton Abbey cookbook. Thank you, Misty, so much. I love that. I'm telling y'all, this weighs pounds. It weighs pounds. I don't know how many, but it's pounds. Welcome to the Downton table. I love Downton Abbey. I love Downton Abbey, the series. Love it, love it, love it. There's some pictures from the series. And Annie Gray wrote this, the official Downton Abbey cookbook. Look at how beautiful that plate is. And it's raised on here. What a beautiful book. And let me, it's so heavy. I love it. Look at how pretty that is. And that will be in the back as well. And this cookbook, it has a ribbon in it, where you can keep your page, a nice gold ribbon. There it is. There it is. So you can keep your page, which is really nice. And there's beautiful pictures. Now that's a scene from the series. There were a couple movies too, which, they weren't as good as the series, but look at that picture. The pantry. Oh my goodness. This is so cool, Misty. Thank you. Thank you so much. So when you open it up, if y'all like Downton Abbey, you would just love this book. The official Downton Abbey cookbook. Okay, so this is a card that you would have that tells you what is on the menu for the evening. It's in maybe French, So I can't really read it. Croquet, I'm not sure what that says. Something about mayonnaise. Jambon, is that ham? Filet of sole. Galantine de Volel. See, I don't know how to say it. But anyway, it's beautiful. Look at this, y'all. I love afternoon tea. And there's the kitchens, some of the kitchen staff. Lots of the characters in here. And it says upstairs, breakfast, lunch and supper, afternoon tea and garden parties, picnics, shoots, and race meets. Festive food, upstairs dinner. Because if you didn't want to go down for dinner, but then that's the upstairs is a fancy. The downstairs are the maids. And so downstairs dinner, what they eat, and their supper and tea, and the still room. That has apple cheese, marrow and ginger jam, piccalilli, pickled green tomatoes, and flavored butters. And, oh wow, desserts, banana cream ice. And there is the beginning of the series starts off with these bells ringing, people getting up in the morning and needing help. They call for their staff. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so much fun. Even there's so much to read in here as well as all of the wonderful recipes. Oh my goodness, Misty, this is so thoughtful of you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love it, love it, love it. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. It weighs a ton. It weighs a ton. I love it, Misty. Thank you so much. And I'm going to hang this. I think I'm seeing where I'm going to hang this back there. So thank you all so much for stopping by and count your blessings. And Misty, thank you so much. I love you, dear. I love you. And talk to you soon. Bye. Y'all take care.